So I've been making this nice level using bushes that I just added, and also the data block. Pretty much you don't see it when you're playing, but I could put stuff like a level transition on the block, and there's another one down here. But the plan is I can use them to just put data there. Maybe it does something like a trigger the cutscene or something. I don't know. But I added that in along with bushes. I've been making a nice level now. It's pretty fun with the auto arranger. So much easier than before. Like if I want a path, I just draw a path. So easy. But you already knew that. Bushes, they're fun to build, except I noticed there's actually a bug. Before I get on to making the dot blocks work, I actually need to make this strange bug. So normally you can go behind a bush and you're sort of behind it and in front. But if you replace a flower, you're not anymore. It's very strange. I don't know why. I'm gonna have to inspect it very closely to see what's wrong. I'll fix that now. Okay, I believe I fixed it. Yeah, now it works. I replaced it. Pretty much the problem was whenever a tile was being created, it gives it a layering property if it layers between the player. But replacing a tile wasn't setting that property, so like a flower doesn't layer, but a bush does. But replacing a flower with a bush wasn't giving the bush that property, so it wasn't layering. It's fixed now. It's pretty simple. Anyway, time to make this block work. Okay, after fixing everything, you should be able to now click on the block. So it should be a load map block. Okay. I think it's broken. Okay, I guess I'm just bad at typing, but I can set the mode to be load map, and then I can tell it to load map world 2, which is just the one that I set up earlier. Then I can give it a coordinate on the center, or really where I put the origin to. And now the tile has data. All I have to do is make it where when you stand on it, you get teleported there. Okay, let's run the test. When I stand on this block, it should teleport me to world 2. Yep, this is world 2. It's kind of small, and I'm also stuck. I did not make a way out. I guess what I could do is instead sort of break this block and then put another teleport block right here, so that I could teleport me to right here, and then I can stand on it again to go back. However, if I currently just set this to teleport me back, I'll get stuck in an infinite loop of teleporting back and forth every frame, so I'll need to add something so that doesn't happen. Alright, time to test it. Now we shouldn't, oh, that's happening. Okay, time to test if the teleporters work properly and they don't do some strange instant teleporting back. Yep, they don't. Okay. That looks all good now. Okay, well, teleporters are done. Okay, while teleporters might actually be done, they have a small problem. So if I build something in this world, and then teleport, and then come back, it's not there anymore because the world doesn't actually save when you teleport. And in order to make it save, I'd have to do some stuff that I have not added in yet. I'm not exactly sure how I'll do it. In theory, it shouldn't have to save because the player's not going to be modifying the levels as they play unless I add that. But if I was to, for developing, it's kind of annoying. If I build something and I want it to stay, leaving and coming back will not work. So I'll add that in later though. I don't feel like it right now.